So we've all had that one maths teacher who has asked us to show our workings, and the end result is as important as how we get there. So for us, working in an agile way on this discovery has really meant being able to start a dialogue with stakeholders across Wales and open up opportunities to spread our findings beyond the borders of Wales too, into places like Scotland and the UK. That's particularly important for a design system, which is all about working in the open. In public services, design systems are shareable products, and they help whoever needs to use them to make the delivery of public services better. It's also meant that we've been able to do a whole mashup of exciting things, from show and tells to week notes to blogs, and it's meant that the whole team has been able to get involved in a multidisciplinary way. There's a temptation sometimes when you get given a problem like this to squirrel yourself away, work on it and pop out at the end and say, here's our finished product. That's not what this discovery has been about. It's very much been about learning from others, finding out things that we didn't know existed, sharing that with the community and starting conversations that are going to take the insights into further stages in a really meaningful way.